Hey guys, Greg here with a tutorial. This time we're going to cover number blocks. You can do a whole lot with number blocks, but we're going to keep it very simple and just make sure you guys know how to get them up and running. The first thing we're going to do is create a user input block, and then we're going to ask the user to enter a number, and then tell them that we're going to add 5 to it. That's done. It's important to remember that you don't actually need to use a user input block. This is just the one I'm going to use because I want them to enter a number, but you could have the experience do the calculations on its own without actually having ever asked them for any numbers at all. We go to the numbers tab and then we add an add block. Then we set the value to 5. That's really all you have to do as far as the add block goes besides connecting everything. So what's going to happen is they enter a number, we add 5 to it, and then we save what the solution to that problem is by going to a string block. So we go to the strings tab and we add save user response. So the solution of the problem that we presented is saved right there. This is cool because we can call back to this block and get that solution anytime in another block. So we're going to add in another scene, and this is what's important here. You can always use the money symbol, curly brackets, and props dot whatever key is. We're going to set the key here, and the key is going to be add num5. So the key on the save user response block is what we're going to enter in after the dot and inside the curly brackets to call back to solve the problem and show the user the answer to the question that has been proposed. So we're going to connect everything, then we're going to head on over to my phone and check out the experience, make sure everything works, and show you guys how simple it is. Okay, so here we are. Any number we add should just add 5 to it. So if we start with 10, we should get 15. Alright, and here we'll do another example, but we're going to cut to another way you can use numbers in a second. Okay, so this time we're going to add the round down number block. This just shows you how simple it is to add more to whatever equation you're doing here in the experience. All you have to do is make sure it's before the save user response block, and whatever will be saved will be a culmination of all the number blocks used. So as an example, we're going to use 5.9. This should round down to 10, right? And boom, there it is. No more decimals to worry about. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you had a good time.